Step into our 12-meter by 18-meter insulated bamboo frame tent designed for unforgettable gatherings of up to 150 guests with round table seating. Built for seamless installation, the outer cover comes in multiple sections, ensuring a perfect fit. The insulated walls provide warmth in colder regions, making it ideal for all weather events. Inspired by heritage aesthetics, this tent features elegant block print motifs and sturdy bamboo poles that bring a natural, lively charm to any setting. On warm summer days, the walls can be easily removed, transforming the space with flowing curtains for an open-air experience. Perfect for weddings, celebration and grand events, this tent is a statement of elegance and functionality. For more exquisite tents, visit www.indiantentmanufacturer.com by Talukas.